Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find Afterpay card number. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you might be wondering, is it possible for us to see our Afterpay card number? So, the first thing that you need to do here is you first have to go to Google Pay, if you have Android, and update your Afterpay mobile application to the latest version. Now from there, you need to sign in and verify your account. And from then you have to ensure that you're eligible to utilize the Afterpay for online shopping. Now in this case, on the main menu of Afterpay, you will be able to see the card tab in there. Now although the card tab in the app allows you to explore card-related options and select stores, unfortunately, it does not provide details such as card numbers, expiration date, and security code, which is something really unfortunate. Now, many might wonder if there's a way for us to access this information through their profile, account settings, or by reaching out to support. Unfortunately, on how Afterpay actually works as of this moment, it actually makes it impossible for us to view our card number, but instead, Afterpay issues a card number for universal uses. Now, without disclosing it to the user. Now to complete the transaction, user just needs to open up a website or store supporting Afterpay. Now sign into the Afterpay account and proceed with the payment without being privy to the online card details. Now, if unfortunately the store that you're buying for does not support Afterpay, then unfortunately you will not be able to use Afterpay on that specific store. Now in this case, currently it is not possible for us to view our card number, which is simply something really unfortunate, but we don't want to spread out misinformation out there. But that's about it. So, that's basically how you can find Afterpay card number. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.